Thank you for your order of the Fancy Bracelet Birthday Party Kit, perfect for ages 5 to 9. Today we're going to show you how to make the bracelet. So first I'm going to show you what you receive in your kit. So you will receive a pair of flat nose pliers and a little bag with all of the beads that you will use to complete your bracelet, as well as a memory wire bracelet coil with a charm already attached. We will begin by putting the bracelet together. The pattern that we always do is 3 of the main bead. In this case, we are using 3 purple beads. One spacer. The spacer are the little silver beads. One special bead. One spacer. And then we'll repeat the pattern. So we're doing 3 purple beads. These are the main beads. One spacer bead. This time, for the special bead, we're choosing a different one. So we'll do heart, another special spacer bead, and then once again, 3 more purple beads. One more spacer, and usually we send 3 different types of special beads. So this is the 3rd special bead, and then 1 more spacer. And we'll keep repeating this pattern until we have used up all of the special beads. So now we finished the bracelet, and I'm going to show you how to finish the bracelet off. So you take a pair of flat nose pliers and you turn your hand upside down, and you just take the wire and you just bend it over to make a loop. And once you do that, that will stop the beads from coming off. So here's the finished bracelet. I love how sparkly our fancy bracelets are. So here's the finished bracelet.